Excuse me, what time is it? Just a moment. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What time is it now? It's 7:30. What time is it now? 7:30. What time is it now? Oh, it's 7:30. Yes, it's 7:30. Do you know the time? It's 10 a.m. Time to go home soon. Yes, it's 5 p.m. Good morning. What are we doing in the morning? Shall we meet later? Yes, let's meet in the afternoon. The air is nice now.
It's always pleasant in the evening.
What are your plans? I usually read at night. Let's have lunch. Good idea. It's almost at noon. Yeah. Shh, it's past midnight. I forgot. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Did we meet yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Sunday. Oh no, what time is it? Why, is your class soon? Yes, in 5 minutes.
Wake up, sweetie. It's 7 o'clock.
Already? Just 5 more minutes.
What time is our next meeting?
It's 7:30. We should get ready.
Oh, right. It's 7:30, isn't it? Let's go. Right behind you.
This coffee is great. What time is it now? It's 10 a.m. already. Time flies.
Hey, finally, I'm done with work. B, yes, it's 5 p.m. Time to go home. I love having breakfast with you all.
Me too. It's so peaceful in the morning.
Let's play hide and seek. Good idea. The park is so fun in the afternoon. What a beautiful sunset. Yes, the city lights start to twinkle in the evening.
The stars are so clear tonight. It's quiet and calm at night.
Yes, it's noon. Let's go grab some lunch. Sounds good. Let's go. I can't believe I'm still awake. It's almost midnight. You should go to sleep.
I need to remember this date. What day is it today?
Ugh, the weekend went by too fast. Tell me about it. Today is Monday. When can we meet for coffee? How about tomorrow? Tomorrow's Tuesday. Perfect! See you then! These pictures are great! We had so much fun. Yesterday was Sunday, remember? What day is today? Today is Monday. Ah, so what's the plan? Let's review the schedule. I have a meeting.
Is it on Tuesday?
The new movie comes out on Wednesday. Oh, great! Do you have plans for Thursday?
No, I'm free.
Great! Want to do something? Sure! It's almost Friday! Yes, finally! Let's go hiking on Saturday. Sounds good! I love Sundays. Me too. Time to rest. Do you work on weekdays? Yes, I do. I usually read on weekends. That's nice. Today is June 1st. Oh, really? When is your birthday? It's the 1st of June. What's today's date? It's May 10th. What's the date for the party? It's August 15th. Great! Let's meet sometime this week.
Sounds good. How about Thursday?
Are you busy next week?
No, I'm free.
Our English class is on Monday.
Oh, I see.
Let's meet on Tuesday.
Sounds good.
Is our project due on Wednesday?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have plans for Thursday evening?
Not yet.
Would you like to have dinner with me? Finally, it's Friday!
Yes, the week is over.
What are you doing this Saturday?
I'm going hiking.
That sounds fun. Where to?
To the mountain over there.
Have a great time. Are you free on Sunday?
Yes, I am.
I go to work on weekdays.
Me too.
What's the date today?
It's August 10th.
It's the 1st of June.
Wow, time flies.
What's today's date?
It's November 20th.
What's the date?
It's December 25th. Merry Christmas!
Let's finish the report this week.
Good idea.
I have a trip next week.
That sounds exciting. Did you see the new movie? Yes, I saw it last week.
What are your plans for this month?
I'm planning a trip to the beach.
When is your birthday?
It's next month. Let's celebrate.
How was your vacation?
It was great. I went last month.
What's new this year?
I started learning the piano this year.
Where do you want to travel next year?
I want to go to Europe next year.
Do you remember our trip to the museum?
Oh yes, that was last year.
Do you read books often?
Yes, I read every day.
When do you go swimming?
I go every week.
Do you visit your grandpa often?
Yes, I visit them every month.
When is the town festival?
It's every year in August.
How often do you check your email?
I check it once a day.
When do you usually go for a walk?
I usually go in the morning time.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
What do you do at nighttime?
I watch TV or play games.
Are you still reading?
Yes, I often read late at night.
Did you see the new movie?
Yes, I saw it last week.
Is the report due soon?
Yes, it needs to be finished this month.
When is your birthday party?
It's next month, on the 15th.
Remember our trip to the beach?
Oh yes, that was last month. So much fun.
Are you going on vacation this year?
Yes, I'm planning a trip in summer.
What are your plans after graduation?
I hope to study abroad next year.
Did you hear about Sarah's new job?
Oh really? She moved last year, right?
How do you stay so fit?
I exercise every day.
Do you go to the market often?
Yes, I go every week on Saturdays.
It's every month, on the first Monday.
Ah, I see. Thanks for clarifying. How often should I take this medicine?
You should take it once a day.
When do you usually go for a walk?
I prefer to go in the morning time.
What time should we meet tomorrow?
Let's meet at 7 in the morning.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, I often read at nighttime.
You look tired. Did you sleep well?
No, I was working late at night.
Good morning. It's still so early.
Yes, the sun is just rising.
Are you free late in the afternoon?
Yes, around 4 p.m. works for me.
What are you doing right now?
I'm just finishing my work.
Did you hear that noise?
Yes, I heard it just now. Soon, in about 5 minutes.
I can't wait. The poster looks amazing.
It does. Let's go. Let's meet for coffee later.
Sounds good. What time?
How about 6 o'clock?
Perfect. See you then.
We arrived right on time for the meeting.
Perfect. The presentation is about to begin.
Oh no, I'm going to be late!
Hurry up! They're waiting for you!
You're here early.
Yes, I finished my errands quickly.
I've been working on this report all day.
You must be tired.
The weather has been great all week.
I know, perfect for outdoor activities.
My classes run from Monday to Friday.
So you have weekends free. He studied from morning to night for the exam.
That's dedication. What time do you wake up?
Usually around 7 a.m.
Ah, that's early.
I know, but I like it.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to be in bed by 11 p.m.
Good morning.
Wow, you're up early.
Good morning! I have an early class.
Have a great day.
Be safe!
It's getting dark. Yes, it's late in the afternoon already.
Can you help me?
Sorry, I'm busy right now. Where is Sarah?
She just now left the office.
When will the movie start?
Soon, in about 5 minutes.
Let's discuss this later.
Okay, I'll talk to you then.
Did you make it on time?
Yes, the train arrived exactly on schedule.
Oh no, I'm late. You need to hurry.
I'm going!
Be safe.
You're here early today.
I wanted to finish my work before noon.
What are your plans for today?
I'll be working on this project all day.
How long will the exhibition last?
It's open all week, until Sunday.
The weather has been great.
Yes, it's been sunny all month.
What are your working days?
I work from Monday to Friday.
You look tired.
I've been studying from morning to night.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, cool. What time do you go to bed?
I try to go to bed by 11 p.m.